Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Now this is part 2 of our series in reclaiming my craft room / mom cave. So if you missed the first part, click on the little link above and that will take you to step 1. We're also using my acronym S.L.O.W, S-L-O-W, since the road to success is usually slow, in order to follow through and find my dream of having a mom cave that actually works. Last time we talked about the letter S. See your successes and stay the course. So today we're going to be talking about L, learning from your mistakes and loving what you do. So I'm trying to learn from the mistakes I made in trying to create my craft room. I had organized things by season thinking that would be a logical step to do. However, now doing YouTube videos, I'm also doing some repurposing crafts where I want to do multi-seasonal decor. So for Valentine's Day, for example, I would like some red ribbon. Oh, I've packed that away in the Christmas stuff because red ribbon is Christmas. So just the system that I had wasn't working. And now that I have a variety of interests, I'm running out of room because I have art supplies, I have drawing supplies, I like to sew, I like to knit, I like to crochet, I like to do a ton of things, and that can be a problem. I really need to focus my energy and have specific areas maybe for specific craft items. So that's something that I'm learning from and trying to fix. And also loving what I do. I have to reevaluate all the different crafts that I'm interested in, all the different projects that I'm trying to do, and really scale down my focus. Find out what I really, really love. Do I really want to learn how to do embroidery? Probably not. I have lots of embroidery stuff. Am I ever going to use it? Maybe not. Maybe that's something I need to scale down and maybe just keep one special project to work on. Art, drawing, painting seems to be the thing that really I love the most, that I get the most enjoyment out of. So I'll have to have a designated area that's just for painting. So I'm going to show you and walk you through step by step my phase 2 of reinventing my mom cave. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about the letter L in our acronym S-L-O-W. L stands for learning from your mistakes and loving what you do. Now I'm going to start with loving what you do first, because I love a lot of different things to do, and that's my biggest problem. I don't really have a focus. So I thought I should sit down and write a list of all the different craft ideas that I like to do, and then prioritize them, picking the top 5 or 6 that I'm going to work with. For me, I broke my interest down into 6 different subjects. Number 1 being painting and drawing. Number 2, DIY projects for my YouTube channel. Number 3, sewing and using my Cricut machine. 4, card making, paper crafts. 5, knitting and crocheting. And 6, a place to read and relax. Having this list allowed me to organize my jumbled mess of puzzle pieces into a beautiful portrait and a place where I can relax. Learning from my mistakes involved taking a step back and looking at what I had to deal with. So I decided to draw a rough outline of my craft room and what I currently have in there and the amount of storage that I currently had available. I also added a couple of new ideas and new areas to work with. So writing all this down allowed me to learn from the mistake I had originally of not having a plan and finding out what's not working. My second mistake was to avoid impulse buying, knowing my limits. Just because something is 80% off doesn't mean I need 5 boxes of it. Just buy the amount of supplies that I need. Yes, if you use something quite frequently and it is on sale, it is a good idea to stock up. But I don't think I really need 15 rolls of St. Patrick's Day ribbon. Do you? The next step is the scariest. You have to face your mess head on and take it all out of the room. That's right, all. The good, the bad, and the ugly. You may need a little help with this. Then sort through and throw things in the trash that really belong there, have a yard sale, or donate some items to charity. Get rid of what you don't need. I had boxes and boxes of magazines that I didn't need and kids' craft supplies that I ended up donating to my school. Only then are you ready to sort and store things the way they should be. By knowing your limits, avoiding impulse buying, and overextending yourself, you avoid the confusion and frustration and stress and turn your craft room into a lovely place to relax and rejuvenate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the comments section below, let me know an area of your house you need to organize. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. So tune in on Friday for part 3 of Reclaiming the Mom Cave.